Hawks, Angel Hawks. Today I wanted to film a video of me coloring the Valentine cards that were enclosed in the Valentine's box from Archer and Olive, and they were so adorable. I only filmed coloring of one of the cards, but I actually colored 3 of them, and so towards the end of the video you will see all 3 of the cards that I colored. But I used the acrylograph markers. I used all of the markers that were included in the box, in the Valentine's box. And I also used colors from my tropical set. So you'll see some extra colors there. You see them in the shot there, the purple and the gray and the blue and the green. And I used those in several of the other cards. But my yellow marker there was from the set in the Valentine's box. I was having a hard time with. The nib was not working very well. I ended up at the end changing out the nib, and then it worked much better. So, and I ended up changing it out from my tropical marker set. So if you are having trouble with your markers, I would contact Archer and Olive and let them know that your nib is not working, and maybe they'll send you some new nibs, and maybe that will work better. But they are great markers, so if for some reason they're not working, it's probably just the nib, and you can, those are cheap replacement parts, consumable parts, and you can change those out, and it should work great. But yeah, so I shaded the pears with a light yellow and the brighter yellow that you can see here. And then I grabbed the brown color and added some shading, and then did the stems and the stem and the leaf. And then I grabbed a green from my tropical pack and did the leaves. Now at this point, I'm using the darker pink to color the top of the letters, and I'm just kind of scratchy coloring the top, and then I use more of the red, the orangey red, to do the bottom part of the letters. It gives a dimensional look. And I don't use a straight line across, I just kind of blend them together. And then I use a light pink for the little blossoms, and I use the light pink for the banner, and I do the light pink before the letters, because I felt like I could see the lines of the letters through the light pink. If I happen to go over the letters, I could still see the lines of the letters through the light pink. And that way, if I got a little messy, I could still go over the letters with my darker color, and it would look okay. I'm using the gray from the tropical pack to add some shading, a little shadow. Now this is a picture of all three cards together. Hope you enjoy.